Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your domain to Shopify. Now what does connecting your domain to Shopify mean? It means that you purchased a domain from a third-party website and what you want to do is connect that domain that you already bought to Shopify. Now the way that you would do this is by going onto the search bar and typing in domains like that and then click domains. Here you can buy a new domain, but today we're going to be connecting an existing domain that I already have. So let's do that. And right now I'm going to type in my domain. And then click next. Now I bought this domain from GoDaddy and a lot of people buy their domains from GoDaddy. So this should be a really good example. Now what you want to do next is open a new tab and search godaddy.com. From here, of course, you need to sign into your account. After you're logged in, all you need to do is head back to Shopify and then click Connect Automatically. And click Connect. And there you go, you've successfully connected your domain to Shopify. Now this domain that I used was for my personal website, but now that I've connected it to Shopify, it will redirect to the online store I have. So let's open up a new tab just so I can show you how this works. Let's do this. And there you go. Instead of going onto my website, it went onto my online store that I made just for an example. And there you go. That's how to connect your existing domain to Shopify. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.